good day everyone. In today's video, you will learn on how to find the measures of the angles and arcs in a circle. For example, in this problem, in circle A, the measure, this M stands for measure. The measure of angle LAM is 48. Let's write it here. LAM here. So this is 48. The measure of angle HAG is 44. HAG. So this is 44. And angle KAH is a right angle. Okay. So when we say right angle, the measure is 90. So before we find the missing angles and arcs in this figure, let us recall first the previous lessons that we had about central angle. Central angle. The measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay. So in this figure, the central angle LAM is 48 degrees. So its intercepted arc is arc LM. So therefore, this is also 48 degrees. Okay, next. Angle HAG is 44 degrees and its intercepted arc is arc HG. So again, they are congruent, so their measures is equal. So this is 44 degrees. What else? So what is the measure of angle JAH? We also discussed that vertical angles are congruent. So angle LAM and angle JAH are vertical angles. So this is, if this is 48 degrees, this is also 48 degrees. Its intercepted arc is arc JH. Since angle JAH is also a central angle, so the measure of the intercepted arc, arc JH, is also 48. Now, since in our given, angle KAH is a right angle, its measure is 90, so we already have 48 here. So what is the measure of this? So we are going to subtract this from 90. So 90 minus 48 is 42 degrees. Okay, if this is 42, this angle is also 42. That's why 42 degrees plus 48 degrees is equal to 90. So this is a right angle. Okay. Next. In this figure, arc MKJ is a semicircle. Okay. So the measure of the semicircle is 180 degrees. So we already have 42 degrees here and 48 degrees here. So this is 42 plus 48 is 90. Subtract from 180. So this arc is also 90 degrees. So we have 42 plus 90 plus 48 equals 180. Okay, so if this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. Why? Because KL is the intercepted arc of angle KAL, and this is a central angle. Okay, next. We already have 48 here. We already have 44 here. What is the measure of this arc? So again, this is also a semicircle. Okay, so we are going to add 48 plus 44. Again, we are going to add 48 and 44, which is 92. To get this measure, we are going to add this and subtract from 180 degrees. So 48 plus 44 again is 92. Subtract it from 180, and this is 88 degrees. If this is 88 degrees, this is also 88 degrees. Why 88? Because this is a central angle and its intercepted arc is arc MG. As we all know, that the measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So, if we add 48, 90, 42, 48, 44, and 88, that is equal to 360. And the circumference of the circle is 360. Okay, so that is how we find the measure of the central angles and its intercepted arc. So after that, you can now answer the following questions. Find the measure of the following angles and arcs. So number 1, measure of angle LAK. By the way, if you're going to use the word measure, you don't need to put degrees. But if you are talking the angle or arc, without the word measure, you have to put the degrees. So in this case, the measure of angle LAK, based from our given here, okay, based from the given here, LAK, so that is 90 degrees. Okay, what about the measure of angle JAK? Angle JAK. JAK is 42. With or without angle is okay because we use the word measure. Next, the measure of angle LAJ. LAJ. So 90 plus 42 is 132. Next, what about the measure of arc JK? Arc JK. JK, that is 42. The measure of arc LMG. 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 So you're going to add 48 plus 88, that is equal to 136. And last one, the measure of arc LK. 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 That is 90. Okay, so that is how we find the measures of the angles and arcs in a circle. So thank you so much. All right,